Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and today I have another Cybertruck that we just finished wrapping using TMaxx color change PPF film. Check out Urban Green. It's nasty, but in a very cool way. I absolutely love it. I couldn't believe it when the customer picked this color, quite frankly. We have done before super gloss khaki green, which I like, some matte military greens, but when I saw the swatch of this, I didn't have the vision. But the customer sure did, and I think it came out great. This is exactly what he was looking for. Not only did he want to do a color change on his Cybertruck, but he wanted to go ahead and protect it, and he wanted a 10-year warranty, and he wanted the film to be hydrophobic, and he wanted the film to be self-healing. And that's exactly what TMaxx does for you when you go ahead and wrap your Tesla or your Cybertruck using this PPF film. So as you can see, the whole truck has been wrapped, no more stainless steel, no more fingerprint issues, and I think it's really cool. What do you guys think? There's a lot of trucks out there that are going for that camo or that military spec. I think this is one of the best. TMaxx Urban Green. So let's move into some more details. The Foundation Series badges, as you know, get covered up when you wrap your Cybertruck, and we've been replicating those out of vinyl and applying them on top of your PPF wrap, as you have seen plenty of times, or on top of your vinyl color change wrap. This is something new. It's embossed. So what we're doing is we're taking our Foundation Series badges, reapplying them in the areas that come with your Cybertruck, your front fenders, your rear tailgate, and then we are applying the film or the PPF or the vinyl of your choice on top of it, and it creates this super cool embossed look. Definitely the way I think we should be going forward with that. I like it so much more than on top. One other nice touch to this Cybertruck is that this customer wanted to go ahead and change the wheels, but keep the original 20-inch tires that came with the Cybertruck. He did not want to size up to 22 or 24. He did not want to size down to 18-inch. And he chose my favorite, our fully forged CTM wheels. Gloss black, I think, was the appropriate color choice because it matches the gloss PPF wrap, and it works perfectly, as you can see, front and rear here, with the original tire that comes with your Cybertruck. It accepts the TPMS sensor. It uses the original Tesla mounting hardware, so no additional hardware needed. It's a perfect fit and looks really cool. That's all I got for you today. Please share with me some of your comments, your thoughts below. What do you think about this color? And what do you think about sizing up to 22-inch or 24-inch? Again, I love hearing from you guys. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. I have so much more amazing content coming your way soon.